party song. We learn further about where the flat key is, and also you need to cross over your hand to the black keys. Position. Right hand on middle C, left hand is closed. So both thumb on middle C. Ready, set, go. F, skip, C, go up to E flat, go down to A, F, skip to C, go up to E flat, 2, 3, 4. B flat, D, skip, cross to A flat, come back down. F, skip, C, go up to E flat, 2, 3, 4. C, jump to the 5th, skip to E, C, B flat, jump to F, skip to D, B flat. From F, skip, C, go up to E flat, go down, A, F, skip, go up, D, F, 1 and 3, black key. I like going to a party, I like having fun, winning prizes, playing games, fun.